Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a special request video. I am answering questions on how to layer multicolor vinyl on shirts. I will be using this white t-shirt, and for the design I am using purple and black vinyl. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned. So I will be working off of the Silhouette Business Edition program. I had started with the design that you see on the screen, but I decided to go with something different, something just a little simple and easy to show. So first part of the design is I'm drawing the rectangle, and right here I am going to use this scallop design to give my edges just a little flair. I don't want just that simple square edge, so that's what you see here. I'm just messing with the design, trying to create something different. I am going to line up this circle with the scalloped edges on it on both sides of this rectangle, and I'm going to subtract the design so that my rectangle will no longer have straight edges. It will have the scalloped looking edges. Okay, so as you see, now my rectangle has just a little bit of a flare to the edge of it. It's just not the plain rectangle. And of course, you can always keep the rectangle simple if you would like. I just was looking for something just a little different. I will be using the word mini boss because this is for a toddler size t-shirt. So here I am positioning the wording within that rectangle, and I'm going to make sure it's centered vertical and horizontal. And so I decided to make another design and see what I could come up with again, and then decide between the two designs which one I would actually use. So I'm going to scallop these edges also, but I'm going to do it in a different direction. Okay, so once I subtracted the scalloped edges, now I'm removing that rectangle, and this portion of the design is what I'm going to use. Now it's all about reshaping it and deciding what looks best to me. So I'm using the same wording, mini boss. I'm just going to copy it and put it down in this design. I'm going to center it again, vertical and horizontal. You are now listening to the sounds of mood swing music. So now I'm going to color the background of this design. And I'm going to subtract the wording from the design. This process allows me to layer the vinyls. So now we have two different color vinyls that can be used. Like I'm using the black vinyl and the purple vinyl. I'm doing the same thing for the design up top. I'm going to subtract the wording from the design. Okay, so I decided to go with this design. I like the scalloped edges on this one a little better. I went out on Google and found the cute little princess crown, princess tiara that I wanted to add to this design. So now I'm just shaping it, preparing it to be cut on vinyl. And again, you can kind of look at the design and see how long you want it to be, how wide you would like for it to be. So here I'm just playing with it a little bit to see what I like. Before you cut your design with your silhouette cameo, be sure to flip the design. So now I'm going to ungroup my design. So I have the black vinyl that I will use for that design, and then the purple vinyl for this design. Okay, so I will be placing the shiny side of the vinyl towards the matte, which is face down. The dull side will be facing up towards me. The black vinyl will go on top, just as you saw on the computer screen. So my cutting mat is the same size as the mat on the computer screen. And so I just place the vinyl according to the placement on my computer screen. I am using my silhouette cameo to cut out the design.
You are now listening to the sounds of Mood Swing Music.
Now it's time to weed both of the designs. Starting with the black vinyl, I always start in the corner to separate the vinyl from the plastic covering. So here I am just weeding around what was cut by my silhouette cameo machine. So as you see, the machine cut out the design. I'm just weeding the material from around it. Here I am weeding out the letters because this will allow me to layer the purple vinyl on top of this black vinyl. Okay, and this is exactly how it should look. It matches exactly what was on my computer screen. Same process, just with a different color. So I'm just slowly weeding around the letters just to make sure that they don't lift from the plastic covering.
To the sounds of mood swing music.
Okay, so here you have it. Both designs are now weeded, and as you see, the purple will overlap the black. And voila! Here is the shirt with the multicolored layered vinyl. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for new videos.